Yeah, I like to pet the garden. Voila. I really like the garden. So I try to pet the garden of them with wearing white. MashaAllah. I'm wearing white. MashaAllah. Now I'm trying to make the garden. Yeah. They have mosquito tree. They have basil. Yeah. And this is moringa tree. Um, and I don't know the another flower. I don't know the name. You know, I tried to cut this all clean, and now I will do arrangement. I will see another plant. I will put there. So if they wake up, they show the new garden. So I cut this all. Oh my god. There's a lot of mosquitoes. There's a lot of flies. Yeah. Look, it's very nice. Yeah. I love the garden, you know. I like the flower too. Sure. If I, yeah, I like it. I like this flower color. Yeah. I try to arrange this all. Oh, and look. This is a small tomato. Yeah.